Hey guys, so today I'm going to experiment with living hinges in stainless steel. So the video you just saw was this being cut out, which is a spiral within a spiral. And I don't know if you're familiar with living hinges, but you'll frequently see them with laser cut wood. So this is a straight pattern. This is a pattern called brackets. This is a pattern called fabric, which is a 3D kind of hinge, whereas these two will only hinge in one direction. And then this one is called geodesic, which is, it's also kind of a 3D hinge. So these clamps help give the sheet a little bit of weight and apply pressure on the slats so the gas doesn't move this little small strap around. And the tip of the laser's got a little laser pointer to help me find the appropriate 00. This was the straight pattern, and this one's called brackets, and we'll see how well it cuts this one out. I might have to stop this one, so if you see me stop it, it might be because if these little slugs don't drop through, then it might tip up and touch the tip of the laser. So we'll see. Came out pretty good. See, I was worried about these little pieces there dropping through and tipping up when they hit the slats. But that came out pretty nice. Okay, so now I'm going to try this fabric pattern, which should give us a 3D living hinge. And I don't see any problems with this one because there isn't any small pieces that are going to drop through. It's all straight cuts. It came out pretty good, and all of these patterns are being cut at 1100 inches a minute, but this one's definitely going to be the fastest because there were a lot less heads-up commands, because there are a lot of long shared contours that it doesn't have to retract the head for. So yeah, that looks great. Okay, so now I'm going to clean these up and then we'll take a look at how each of them work. Okay, first we'll look at this. This is the straight hinge, straight pattern, and that came out really nice. You could easily make like a hand-formed box with that. Now this is 40 thousandths of an inch stainless steel. This is the 3D, the fabric pattern. That's pretty nice. So this is the bracket pattern, and this one is very easy to move. I like that. Now this one I think looks pretty cool, but as far as being functional, it doesn't really give you the nice hinge like the rest of these do. Alright guys, hope you liked that video. If you did, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below which of these 4 patterns was your favorite. Thanks. See you guys later.